Hi everyone, my sister-in-law just shared with me a great recipe which is a cough remedy for children into a lollipop. So keep tuned. So first I'm going to add 1 cup sugar, and then I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of water. And we're going to let that dissolve. Once the sugar's dissolved, we're going to add a 1/3 cup of honey, about 2 tablespoons. Okay, so I'm also going to add about a teaspoon of ginger juice, and also a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. So then let it boil, and it'll take about 10 minutes. Keep stirring occasionally. Okay, so to check the consistency is correct, you just pop it a few drops in some water and it should form like a crystal. And yeah, there you are. So that's correct now. Okay, so I'm just going to let it cool down for a bit. In the meantime, what I've done is I have just prepared. So you just need a tray with baking paper and a few sticks. Gonna pop the stick in the middle. So there you are, guys, it's made. We just let it set for like 30 seconds and yeah, it's ready to go.